Okay, so the first thing we'll be discussing is the use of the mouse, which you'll be using most of the time, and the top view bar, which you'll see here. First, let's discuss mouse movement. You can use, as always, same as in Windows, the left mouse button to select items. So if I click on these lines, you'll see they light up, and if I hold down Ctrl, I can select multiple lines, and they all light up, in this case the color blue. Now, I can use the right mouse button to right click on parts. I have multiple select options, and I also have multiple functions depending on which function I'm currently in. So this menu can change depending on which function you're in. Now, if I want to zoom in and out, I can simply use the scroll wheel, the middle mouse button, or the mouse wheel, whatever you want to call it, to zoom in and out. If I hold down the middle mouse button or the scroll wheel, I can rotate. I can rotate the part up and down, whichever way I like. Now please note that this function may change depending on which type of mouse you got. Modern Logitech mouse, for instance, have a different type of scroll wheel, which is not always compatible with Solidworks. Some Macintosh mouse don't have a scroll wheel, which can also cause a little bit of issues. Now, if I want to move the part, I hold down Ctrl, I press middle mouse button, and then I can move the part around. And those are the basic mouse functions that you can use in SolidWorks. Now you can always edit the mouse functions if you want. SolidWorks offers those options. But these are the basic mouse functions which are compatible with all the Han computers you'll find on our campus. Now then we have the top view bar here. With the left button we can always get the part in the middle of our screen. So let's say we have zoomed out quite a bit and we cannot see the part anymore. If we click this option, the part will always appear right in our screen. Using the second option, we can zoom to a special part, or we can also do that simply by using the zoom button, placing our mouse where we want to zoom in, and scroll using the scroll wheel. With the section view option, we can cut through the part on 3 default specified planes, which we'll discuss more of later on. We can also add a distance from the plane to cut the part with. If we click OK, then we've applied a section view. If we want to deactivate the section view, we can once again click in the view bar on the icon and it will deselect. The middle option is the most important option. Here we can select the basic views. So top view, bottom view, left view, right view, etc. Also the 3D view and the normal 2 view. In order to activate the normal 2 view, we first need to select the face. Then we're going to go to the function, click normal 2, and normal 2 will give us the front view of the face we have selected. Let's switch back to 3D mode. Now the option after that is the appearance option. So we can change the appearance of the part. We can make it see-through, colorless. We have multiple options here. The default option is the top option. This gives you the best view of the part. Then we have some more buttons which will mainly be to changing the aesthetics, adding shade, adding the background color, etc. So those are the basic functions of the view toolbar and of the mouse.